Today you're going to get a taste of what it's like to be a carpenter. When you've made a measurement, you can mark it using the pencil. We're now going to work through the process of framing and assembling the wall using the lumber that we marked before. Grab the bubble level and place it on the window and observe the position of the indicator. In this task, you will measure, cut, and install door trim on the provided test door. In this task, you will create a 4-foot by 4-foot concrete pad from the 6-foot boards provided. Hammer the stake into the ground to the level of the wood. You have successfully leveled the form and it is ready for the cement to be poured.